Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to another segment of Moments in Time. I hope everyone is doing well. You guys, sometimes those moments in time can take on a life of their own and go spiraling out of control. Today's Moments in Time is called Words Are So Very Important. Yesterday, my husband and I started a discussion about something that was trivial. But before we knew it, we were in the middle of a discussion with conflicting views that should not have happened. The subject was normal and should not have generated that kind of discussion and tension. It took some time for us to process what actually happened. Then our moment in time became evident. It was not the nature of the subject or the routine nature of what we were discussing, but the words that we were using. We realized at that moment that words convey feelings and can cause tremendous hurt in people when it is not intentional. Intentional or not, the words still do the dirty deed, and there is no excuse. You cannot say, "Well, I did not know that my words were doing that to you." Even if that was true, we cannot leave things the way they are. There is a component of our spirit called love that is always waiting to be activated in us. It compels us to monitor our words and be totally aware of the impact that they are having on our listeners. Our conversations with our spouses, children, moms, dads, families, neighbors should be a reflection of that love. If your words do not reflect that love and appreciation, stop. Choose some of the words that convey to your loved ones more of what you think about them. Our words are like forces cutting through the atmosphere, impacting everyone and anything with which it comes into contact. We are unaware of all the good or havoc our words are doing until we see the results that boomerang back to us. If we sow things that are evil, they come back to us in abundance. Similarly with good. Seeds always produce more than what are actually sown. So watch your words because you will reap what you say. This has been another segment in our series called Moments in Time. If this segment impacted you, we would love to hear from you by leaving your comments below. And remember, those words have power. And I will leave you with this, a passage from the Bible. Matthew 12:37, the Contemporary English Version, says, "On that day, they will be told that they are either innocent or guilty because of the things they have said." So you guys, thank you again so much for joining me. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and I would love if you will become a part of my YouTube family by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say too. Thank you all so much for joining me.